So I'm one of those fortunate people that can sit and tell a story of Mashe Haya Haya, was ist gewesen, und was ist gewesen, wird nicht kommen. People came to the United States in the beginning of the century because they were driven away, not because they were running from a land of milk and honey. They were running to the golden Medina. They were running to the land of milk and honey. This here was supposed to be the land of milk and honey. Yes, for a lot of people who came here, made very good. But out of the 10 who made good, 1,000 worked very, very hard. I know my relatives who were not educated, who did not have the means, my aunts, and I mean, when I came to them, they were still sitting and reading the Yiddish paper. They did not have an education. They lived in their own little environment, and God help them if they had to go out from Dorchester to travel somewhere else. They would have been lost. Today, it's a different world. Today, we are living in an open society, but still, people live that way. My parents lived in an encirclement in the Yiddish ghetto, and there they could go and buy or sell without knowing the language of the natives. That was then. Today, I don't know.